that I would want to share with you. It's no longer news that the country lost Major General retired Kasirye Ggwanga, one of its distinguished general officers. He passed away on Tuesday 9th, 2020 at Nakasero Hospital after illness. A formal and official eulogy by the UPDF will be issued tomorrow during the burial ceremony, where details will be given about his long service record. We thank members of the public who have been conveying messages of condolences and support to the family and the UPDF fraternity. Arrangements to give General Kasirye Ggwanga a befitting send-off are now in advanced stages. Burial will take place tomorrow on Friday, June the 12th at 10 a.m. at Mityana village, Okuziika County in Mityana district. It will be a very scientific burial with very limited number of participants, comprising mostly of family members. This is in line with the preventive guidelines from government as we deal with the COVID-19 pandemic, which General Kasirye fearlessly fought in Mityana during his last days. We all remember those stories. Most of you used to ask me about General Kasirye dealing with some people that were violating the measures that were in place. The UPDF will therefore enforce them, supported by other security agencies. We do not expect any gatherings or crowds along the way. This would contravene the rules on social distance and congestion. For our partners in the media, we know very well all of you have been active covering the life of our departed general, and more lots has been written by you after he breathed his last on Tuesday. He many times gave you interesting headlines, and so you would wish to be part of those who sent him off. Regrettably, the current restrictions cannot allow this. It would exponentially increase the numbers. You have, in the last 3 months, been on the front line sensitizing the population against COVID-19. And this is yet another occasion to show commitment to the messages we have been passing on to the population. Therefore, to minimize on numbers, only UBC has been accredited to air live the burial ceremony, and the rest can get the feed from it. The new vision will represent the print media. We have worked out how you can get footage for your stories. This is the extent you will be represented. The country continues to focus on saving lives of Ugandans by defeating the coronavirus. We have, in addition, set up a platform to live stream the burial ceremony in order to be able to follow the proceedings on Facebook and YouTube. This will especially enable the participation of family and friends who are still abroad. Finally, the neighbors of General Kasirye in Okuziika, and indeed all those in Mityana and Mityana districts, we request you to bear with these arrangements, where a great number of you will not be able to participate in the send-off of your dear brother, neighbor, and leader. We know you have always loved him, and thank you for all the support. the situation we are in demands this. At an appropriate time, you can go and pay your last respect to him. May Almighty God rest him in eternity. You want the same in Uganda?